jealous and they wanna look like me. I got Tyler, Ricky, Flula, Joshua, and Joey too. My uncle and the Anthony, but I'm my favorite boo. I got a lot more, but I forgot who they are. Sorry, not sorry, I'm just a superstar. I got lots of bays and you're wondering how I do. Take a little listen and I'll find a bay for you. Hey, where my bays at? Where my bays at? I got so many bays, man. I'll teach you how to get one too. But first let's do a dance break. Break it down. Here we go. This is how I twerk. Looking sexy. One up, one up. Okay, this dance break is long enough. Can we keep going now with the song? If you really wanna bay, here is what you do. Wear lots of lipstick and hold it on your poo. Sing to him lots and tell him that you're great. Bring a daddy saddle on your first date. Call him every night and call him every morn. Hide outside his window and don't dress porn. Tell him he's your bae and he's got no choice. But most importantly, don't forget to keep it moist. Hey, where my bae's at? Where my bae's at? Hey, where my bae's at? Now you can get one too. Hey, where my bae's at? Where my bae's at? I got so many bays, man. Now you can get one too. I'm about to break it down.